All right, before we actually get into the actual estimating, I want you to pay attention to the general informations. General informations are just that, basically general informations. You're gonna see that this is gonna be pretty much typical from every job. For the most part, this is kind of like stock that the architect will use and will include this. Something that you want to really pay attention to, but you can always go back to as needed are these shaded areas, which are areas for change or like really getting familiar with the abbreviations, which again, these for the most part are going to be all the same. Um, then the dimensions and everything else. One thing that you'll see right here is something very important. Anytime we're doing the drywall estimate or framing estimate, uh, are the blocking. Contractors are provide solid 2-inch dimensional wood, pressure treated or fire rated were required, blocking within walls for anchorage of all wall mounted shelves, cabinets. So basically, wherever the kitchen, wherever the shelves are going to go, we're going to have that 2-inch dimensional wood blocking. Is something to pay attention to whenever we're doing a drywall estimate or anything like that. So yes, general information, they're just that. It's basically general informations. You want to just read through it really quick just to kind of be familiar with the drawings. Uh, Take your time, don't run through it, but definitely don't spend extra time just because you're gonna have this information readily available if you're gonna run into something like what's a FE. Well, it's fire extinguisher, so you always can come back to it. You don't have to memorize this by any means. Take your time, read it, get familiar with it, and then move on.